Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving these exercises on exponential functions. The first one is solve the index equation. So we'll start with the first one. Solution. So solution number one. So this is the index equation. So this is the index equation. So now we can rearrange this. This becomes 2. According to the law of indices, this becomes 2x. This becomes 2x, 2 exponential x raised to the power of 2, because according to the law of indices, this is also the same as this, minus 5, 2 exponential x plus 2 is equals to 0. So now we will find the term, a variable to represent 2x, to represent 2 exponential x. So we can say let 2 exponential x equals to t, or any variable we want. So this becomes 2t squared minus 5t plus 2 is equals to 0. Now we'll solve this by factorizing it. This becomes, we multiply this times this is 4t squared. Now we'll find two expressions that the product will give us this and the sum will give us this. So it's negative 4 and negative 1. So negative 4t, negative t. So if you multiply them, they'll give you this. And if you add them, they'll give you this. So this becomes 2t squared minus 4t minus t minus t plus 2 is equals to 0. So now to factorize this, here is 2t, here will be t minus 2, here is minus 1, t minus 2. So we'll factorize t minus 2 out, we'll get t minus 2, 2t minus 1. Because if you factorize 2t minus 2 from this whole expression, you get this. The expression that remains is 2t minus 1. So this is equals to 0. So now we equate these two to 0. So it will be t minus 2 equals to 0, or 2t minus 1 equals to 0. Now this becomes t is equals to 2, or 2t equals to 1. So this becomes t equals to 2, or t equals to 1 over 2. So now, but remember that t is 2 exponential x. So it will be 2 exponential x equals to 2, or 2 exponential x equals to 1 over 2. Now it has an index of 1 on its own. So then this one, it can also be expressed like this. It's the same thing as this according to the law of indices. So you have to know all the laws of indices before you solve these index equations. So now this becomes minus 1. So now we can equate the index according to the law of indices. So x is equals to 1. X is equals to 1. Or x is equals to minus 1. So our final answer is x is equals to 1, or x is equals to negative 1. So that's the final answer for exercise 1. Now let's move to the second exercise. So now the second exercise, which says we should solve the simultaneous index equations. So these are the two index equations. Now this we can express in terms of 2 also. So it becomes 2x plus y equals to 2 raised to the power of 3. 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. Then this also 2x minus y. 3 raised to the power of 3 is 27. According to the law of indices, the powers can be equated. So from this one, the first one, x plus y will be equal to 3. And from the second one, 2x minus y is equal to 2. Then 2x minus y is equal to 3 also. From the powers, according to the law of indices. So this now becomes equation 1. This now becomes equation 2. So now we can solve these two simultaneous equations. We can use the elimination method. If we add equation 1 and 2, y will be eliminated. So it will become 3x equals to 6. Then you divide both sides by 3. X becomes 2. We have used the elimination method to find the variable x. If we are going to use the elimination variable to find the variable y, the equation will get, since we have added these two equations to get x, we'll now subtract, so it will be x minus 2x plus 2y to be x minus 2x plus 2y. So it will give us another equation. It will not give us a number. So we can use substitution method to find the second variable. Since it will not be. Well, now let's substitute x. So now let's substitute x into any of the equation. So we will get, maybe it's into equation 1 to be 2 plus y is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3 minus 2, which is equal to 1. So now x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So these are the final answers for the second exercise. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.